Hi, today we are going to make a presentation on our project Invisible Drum.
Our project starts with the sensors that are placed onto each drumstick. These sensors obtains the XYZ data of each drumstick and send that data to the DSP block using I2C communication protocol. In the DSP block, sequential Z data is compared to a predefined threshold to determine whether a drumstick is intentionally or not. After Z flag is set, Y data is examined to pinpoint the location of the drumstick, and that sound sample that corresponds to that region is sent to the audio generation as a comment.
In audio part of our system, first we have a flag file which is used in DSP programs in general because this flag file format has more quality compared to the other audio formats. After that, we are filtering the file by using MATLAB. Then by using FFmpeg, we are converting it to flag file to the PCM file which is pulse code modulated file. After that, we need to convert it to the memory initialization file because we need to read by using on-chip memory. After converting it, we have to embed this file to the on-chip memory. After that, we need to wait for the command which is coming from the DSP block. Then, when the command is obtained to this block, audio generation block, we can drive the audio file to the speaker circuit, which is designed and printed by us.
Now I will demonstrate 4 different sounds.
Thank you for listening.